Well, my name, Doc here, I'm versatile, and plus I never eat the cow if it ain't halal. While you rap with bitten styles in the third degree, myself is heavy tight like cornbread, Earl and me. Showcase with the voice that's so fresh, and I can still serve a rubber in a minute or less. I can talk all day, but I'ma save my breath and let my nigga Mark 7 just do the rest.
I'll do the rest, but I won't rest. Get fresh off of any beat you suggest. High tech with the combination we prepare. Rap, Cole Sierra behind the kick and the snare. Now check it. Marks the word, 7 marks the spot. Guaranteed to keep it hot if you like it or not. MCs is ink blots with verbal hot shots. Taking the top spot with clutch and top notch.
And
like
together we will forever be high fidelity, definitely. Switching the melody, can it be the Casanova speech therapy that heavily puts the flavor right where it should be? My words have been connected to the poets of old. The way I utilize the pen and turn ink to gold. Keep it overly creative, innovator of soul. Now check the flavor from the fader, which my DJ holds.
Rock the beat with your 5 chords, create tracks. New Mark
in your sector.
Top of the pile, hotter than brimstone.
Cause this y'all, but don't start riffing.
Partner, turn that sound up. Yeah.
Get loose, set the roof.
And together we will forever be high fidelity, definitely. Switching the melody, can it be the brothers that you rarely see? They got together for the better, whether him or me. And together we will forever be high fidelity, definitely. Switching the melody, can it be the brothers that you rarely see? They got together for the better, whether him or me.
Meanwhile, deep underground somewhere outside the city.
you better remember these incredible MCs. Our sounds invade, spread plagues just like a leprosy. Our weapons be our vocals, guaranteed to smoke you. Better think twice about stepping with nice. Never focused on ice and still coming off tight. It's like the color of night, I mean the beat is so right. Damn, Soup and Sev infiltrate your heart. The beat that's compliment of DJ New Mark.
And it's the fifth element, never repetitive, highly competitive, classy and elegant, super intelligent when telling it to ladies and gents. Never irrelevant, now do I have to say it again?
The fifth element, never be hesitant, totally accurate, present or past tense. We immaculate, in fact you get a whole crew back in this. Situate my 2-inch tape will show you what we working
and
with.
And together we will forever be high fidelity, definitely. Switching the melody, can it be the way that we demonstrate all wonder twin powers we activate? I'll tear a competitor, pluck 'em like chicken feathers. I'm better than ever, incredible, poetical editor, deader be better. I bet you regardless the weather, whatever, with clever endeavors, when me and Seven reppin' together.
Your style is post-mortem, no decorum. Stop pouring, we exploring, you ignoring. I'm the foreman, longshoreman, and I'm sure when you touring that you whack and you boring.
This is yours. Lay it on 'em.